BJP says corruption is rampant in the Congress government. You called us 40% Sarkara. This is 60% Sarkara. How do you respond? They are saying that's why ED is targeting Congress.
See, it's a political statement made by BJP people. Because we alleged that BJP government is a 40% commission. It is not that we are alleged or we have raised these slogans. The Contractors Association, they made this allegation that this BJP government is 40% corrupt government. That is the statement made by one, what is his name?
Contractors Association had made.
One Kempanna, who is the president of the Contractors Association.
Now BJP says those same contractors are making allegations against the Congress government.
Never made such an allegation.
So you're saying the entire ED is being used by the center to target your government?
Yes, definitely.
Including you yourself, because you have also been put under the scanner in that Mysore land case.
Me and others, particularly the Congress ministers and the Congress MLAs, recently ED raided Parmeshwara's college premises.
Yes.
They see, they are doing like this. They are targeting only Congress MLAs, Congress ministers. Why?
Would you concede, though, that all of this is denting the image of your government? You had the stampede issue during the RCB celebration. That dented your image. You have ordered an inquiry into it. All these ED inquiries. Is all of this damaging your image? Did the stampede issue, for example, damage your image as a government?
No, it is not correct. See, it is RCB and which one?
Karnataka State Cricket Association.
Karnataka Cricket Association. They requested me to hold a function near the Vidhan Soudha. So I permitted.
Do you regret that? Was it a mistake in hindsight?
Definitely. See, 11 people have died. But Congress government, there is no Congress government's mistake is there. There is no failure of the government. But still it is happening.
You made a scapegoat of the police officer, sir.
No, it is not correct. Because, see, they should have not properly arranged the police bandobast. That is why the commissioner say, I went to the function which was held near Vidhan Soudha by 4:15. Because the stampede was taken place before 4:15. The police people did not inform me at all. I didn't know.
But what does that say, sir, about governance if the chief minister is not informed by the police of a stampede taking place?
That is why he was kept under suspension.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.